We are going to do it in B. So I'll play fast, no beat, because you are learning. If you use beats, it will be a little bit faster. So I'm going to play without beats, then I'll explain. So B. Tunaomba uwepo wako uende nasi. Chorus. Up to there. Let me now explain using the numbers. So we are in the key of B. This is B. So 1 is B, 2 is C sharp, 3 is D sharp, 7 is E, 5 is F sharp, 6 is G sharp, 7 is B flat, 8 or 1 which is B. So the song starts from 1. So I'm playing 1, then I play 5 and 1. That is 5 and 1. Then is it there? Then so after that, let me explain. So this is our A. I showed you that is 1 and 5. This is still 1 and 3. Just I'm playing chromatically from 2 to 3. 1, then this is flat 6 and flat 6 and 3. Then I play 6. Then I play. This is still 3. Then I play. That is like 3 major. Then I play flat 7. Then I play 5. Then come on. This is 3 and that was 2 major. This one here. This is 3 and 1. Ooh, and in Nasi 4. 3, 2, then 6. This is 3 and 1. Then 4, 2, 5. Then the chorus. This is a flat 6. I play at diminished chord. Not diminished, augmented. Then 6, 5. Then this chord. 5. 1, 8, sharp 1, 2, sharp 2, 3, 4, kasi. Just like that. That is for B. Very simple. So let me play it again slowly. Tunaomba uwepo wako uende nasi, ewe Bwana wa majeshi, tusikie. Kama uendi nasi, hatutaki, hatuwezi peke yetu, enda nasi. Tuwatua shingo ngumu, tusamehe. Then two. 4, 5 chorus. Above 5, 6, 5, then 6, 5, 1, then flat sharp 1, that is 2, sharp 2, 3, 4, 1/5, then you do this one, leading to 5, then just like that. God bless you, bye and thank you.